If you're looking to offer digital signage solutions with ease, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how to do that using Vendasta. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. First off, Vendasta is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses provide a wide range of digital marketing solutions, and today we're focusing on digital signage. With Vendasta, offering digital signage to your clients becomes streamlined, accessible, and incredibly scalable. Next, you'll want to dive into Vendasta's marketplace. This is where you can find their digital signage product and other complementary tools to build a comprehensive solution for your clients. Vendasta integrates everything in one place, which means you don't need to juggle multiple platforms. Now, let's talk about the specific digital signage offering. Vendasta provides cloud-based digital signage software that allows you to create, schedule, and display content across multiple screens. You can easily customize the digital signage layouts to match your client's branding, promotions, or announcements. Whether they're a local retail shop or a corporate office, this tool is flexible for different environments. The next thing is the ease of managing multiple screens. Vendasta lets you manage and control all of your digital signage displays from a single dashboard. This saves you tons of time and allows for seamless updates and modifications to the content being displayed on multiple screens, all from one central location. When offering digital signage solutions using Vendasta, you can easily show your clients the benefits of remote management. No need for on-site visits or manual updates. Once your clients see how effortless it is to push new content remotely, they'll be hooked. Another powerful feature is reporting. Vendasta provides detailed analytics on how your digital signage is performing. This data can be used to prove ROI to your clients, making it easier to show them how effective their signage is in driving engagement, sales, or foot traffic. Let's talk pricing. Vendasta gives you flexibility in offering digital signage solutions at different price points. You can offer clients subscription-based models or create custom packages based on their needs. This scalability makes it ideal for small businesses and larger enterprises alike. Here's the big part. You can start offering this entire service completely free from the first link below. Yes, you heard that right. Get access to the software and exclusive bonuses to test it out with no commitment. This will help you get hands-on experience with digital signage solutions without any risk upfront. Finally, I want to remind you that Vendasta isn't just about offering a digital signage solution. It's about providing an entire suite of marketing tools to support your clients' growth. Whether it's social media management, SEO, or reputation management, Vendasta integrates all of these services under one roof, making it a game changer for anyone looking to grow their digital signage business. So, be sure to check out the exclusive and AMP extended free trial for Vendasta through the first link below. I promise you, this is the tool you've been looking for to offer powerful, scalable, and professional digital signage solutions. Don't miss out on this opportunity.